last week of school. Come on.
We'll see how far we even get on this stuff. Okay.
Wait, how long did they start?
I think they just started 10 minutes ago.
Oh my God.
All right.
5-0.
What's your time? All right, polygons.
No, I was saying 5-0 Astros.
Okay, polygons.
Oh, no, I got polynomials.
Okay, what? Polynomials. Okay, I thought you said polygonals or something.
No, polynomials.
All right. Shh. Stop talking.
Wrong.
Stop talking. Okay. I might skip some stuff.
Is that the title?
Polygons. Yes.
Why'd you write it there?
I don't know.
I was trying to
I'm like, what is wrong with you?
She's stressed.
She's
teaching us.
Let me pause for a second. Hold on, Joseph. Okay, Joseph, I've decided to skip some stuff and go straight to what a polygon is.
I hope you don't get sick, Joseph.
All right. A polygon is a simple, closed, plain figure
Yes.
made
In the book.
of line segments. Okay, polygon. Simple, closed, plain figure made of line segments.
It is really hard.
Okay, so for example, a polygon has to be closed. That means it can't look like this.
I remember this.
Or it can't be that. It has to be closed. Okay?
It's simple but not closed.
And simple means, that's right, the lines cannot intersect. So for example, it can't be this. That's closed, but the lines intersect, so then it doesn't work either. So you can't have any weird shapes that have any openings and the lines cannot cross. Okay?
Aren't they not allowed to be round either?
Correct. Okay. Because it's made up of line segments. Okay. So what I need you to do is look in your book. Let's see. Okay.
500.
Page 500.
How'd you know that?
She's looking
Because
at her
I'm
book.
looking at it. I'm always looking for pages.
And there you will find a list of names of polygons based on their sides. Yep. If you look, they have a 3-sided is triangle, 4-sided quadrilateral, 5 pentagon, 6-sided hexagon, 7-sided heptagon, and so on. Okay? Y'all see that? You need to know those. So you need to know those. All right. No. A vertex is where two adjacent sides meet. For example, here, here, and here. That is your vertex. The points. Vertex is where two adjacent sides, meet. When you're done, please put your pencil down so I know you're done. All right. Regular polygon. That is a regular polygon is where all sides have the same length and all angles have the same measure. For example, oh my, I'm way down here. Y'all should have said something. For example, a stop sign.
It's a octagon.
Okay, so a stop sign has every side is exactly the same. Every angle's measure is exactly the same. All right, moving on. See, we're moving fast. I'm hitting on the important stuff. Triangles. Okay, now we went straight from polygons to triangles. Astros are winning.
Yes.
Okay, you can classify triangles in two ways. You can classify by sides Kelly, I know.
I mean, they show it pretty easily.
Scaling all sides different. Isosceles, two sides equal. And an equilateral, all sides equal. Push it up. Oh, okay. So you can classify them by sides: scaling, isosceles, equilateral, and you need to know those. You will be tested on that. You can also classify them by angles. Acute is acute angel. All angels less than 90 degrees. You can classify it by right. And then I'll slow down. The right angel. One angel 90 degrees. And then obtuse.
Big boy.
That's all right.
Big angel.
One angel. He's going to die. No, one angel. See, now I'm going to write angel. One, because of y'all. One angle.
Angel.
Greater than 90.
I never knew how to spell which one was angel and which one's angle. Just like I still don't know which one's dessert, which one's desert.
Well,
Me
now
too.
you know.
I think dessert.
I get those. I'll be honest. I get those mixed
I think is dessert dessert with two S's.
No, dessert is with one S and desert is with two.
Are you sure?
Are you
No,
sure?
I
that's
think it's the other way
It's
around.
the other way around.
Yeah.
Yeah. See. we're
Okay,
all-
so it's D's. I look at it as dessert. So there's two S's when you say it, and desert. You see what I'm saying? You
Like
hear
it's shorter.
Yeah, it's shorter. So that's how I remember. Dessert. 2 S's. And desert, 1 S. You know, principal and principal is also one that people get confused.
We did a lesson on that class.
All right, page in your book.
We're already done.
Page 501 has, like Kelly said, an explanation for all those up there. So you can look. Take your time. No, I'm waiting. I'm letting you catch up. Trust me. I don't see us getting to homework today. I see us doing some notes, and then tomorrow we'll do it. No, because I think we're going to work to our time. It's already like almost 12:50.
What time is it?
Did I not just say?
Well, I thought 12:50 was like when
No.
class end. When does class end?
1:15. That's what I'm saying. I don't think you'll have homework today.
So 35 minutes. So I don't think this is going to be in 35 minutes.
35 minutes. 1:15.
Or 25 minutes.
Okay. I might. Maybe you do need to stay in that a little longer. All right. All triangles. All triangles. Angles.
Angels.
Measures.
Oh, you're really trying on my
Yes. I have them this whole time.
Equal 180 degrees.
Why do you have quotes? Or
Because it's plural. Triangles, angles, measures.
oh, that I thought it was like quotes with wrong angels. Or yeah.
When added
That's the apostrophe.
together.
Yeah.
So basically, all the angles in a triangle, when you add all 3 of these angles together, they equal 180 degrees. Always. That's how you can check if when you're finding measurements of an angle in a triangle. You can easily check yourself, because if you add them together and they don't give you 180, then you've made a mistake somewhere. So all triangles, angles, measures equal 180.
I have a question.
What?
If it's a perfect triangle, will all of its angles be 60 degrees? It's like a perfect
So an equilateral, right? Okay, so then 60 plus 60 plus 60 is,
180.
there you go.
So that would be
Yeah. So you can find measures of angles. Take your jacket off. Why?
She's wearing a 5th grade shirt.
No, 6th grade shirt.
6th grade shirt.
Because I couldn't find my right one from this year.
All right.
It's too small, and it's too small. But I'm not doing this, so.
All right, all triangles, angle measures equal 180 when added together. You can find measures of angles when given 2 other angle measures. For example, angle 1, let's pretend angle 1 is 116 degrees. And angle 2 is 22 degrees. What is angle 3's measurement given that information? Atalia?
It is 42.
All right, you're correct. It is 42 degrees. And the reason is if we had angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, you add them together, you get 180 degrees. So, if you add 116 degrees plus 22 degrees, you get 138 degrees. So, if all 3 equal 180, you can subtract 138 from 180 and you get 42.
That's what I was thinking.
Very good.
Yeah, but a lot quicker.
Yes, exactly. I'm not a person that can do it in my head, so I have to write everything out.
Like that?
Same.
Yeah, I'm not. I can't always do it in my head. I have to. That's where you and I are different. I have to write everything down. My husband can do everything in his head. Everything. Any math. He does not write anything down. It makes me crazy. Okay.
There are a lot of things that I'm like you with. So there's a lot of things I'm not.
That's right.
Just no one's the exact same.
Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon.
Hence the word quad.
That's right. Very good. There are two types of quadrilaterals. One type is called a trapezoid. The other one is called a parallelogram. I like saying parallelogram. It tickles the tongue when you say parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
So these two are your quads. Okay, a trapezoid has at least one pair of parallel lines.
That's hot.
Or parallel sides, sorry. And an example would be this guy. So you see, this side and this side are parallel. So that is a trapezoid. One pair of parallel sides. We are all girls. Go ahead. Take the clothes off. Got it on video. That's not too small. Trust me.
It's short in the back and
Okay, well, okay, but we're all girls. This is when I went to an all-girls high school, and this right here is the one biggest benefit, was because we didn't have any boys in the school. We could just be ourselves and relax and didn't have to look good for anyone. You know, it was great. It was wonderful. That's the one thing I can say I liked about it. That's about the only thing. All right.
Was it not good?
what did you not like about it?
We don't have enough time in the day for all that. All right. Parallelogram is two pairs
Where's that arrow?
of parallel sides. It is a type of trapezoid. And it would look something like this. Now your note's hopefully a little bit neater than mine. But so if you look at it, a trapezoid, the key word here is at least one pair of parallel sides. A parallelogram has to have two pairs of parallel sides. So if a trapezoid says it has to have at least one pair, it can have more than one, then this is also a trapezoid. So this figures a trapezoid and a parallelogram. This right here is just trapezoid. Good luck remembering all that.
We will.
That it?
No.
My desk always so close to Tanner's.
All right. Now, so there's two types of quadrilaterals, a trapezoid and a parallelogram. That's why I have the thing say quads right here. There's two types of quadrilaterals. Parallelograms also have two types, or really more than that, okay? So parallelograms, and I'm going to do this right here. because this falls under parallelograms. We have a rectangle. We have a square.
Yep.
All right. And then we have a rhombus.
Rhombus. You did 2 spaces.
I
know. Purposely?
Yep.
Okay.
Because a rhombus and rectangle and square are easily confused. Not really, but kind of. Let me explain. Rectangle, the only thing that you need to know about a rectangle is that it has 4 right angles.
But also, a rectangle is a square, but a square isn't a rectangle, right?
Okay, a square is a rectangle
Oh, it's the opposite.
with 4 equal sides. So a square can be called also, so a square is a rectangle with 4 equal sides. A rectangle is a rectangle. But can it also be a square? Yeah. Because this right here is obviously a rectangle. It is obviously not a square because it does not have all equal sides. A square has all equal sides, but this can also be a rectangle because the only definition of rectangles has 4 right angles. This has 4 right angles, this has 4 right angles. So you can have these 2 as a rectangle, but only this as a square. And then a rhombus.
So a rectangle, so a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle can't be a square.
A rectangle, see, oh, wait a minute.
A square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square.
Okay.
Oh, I'm done. Sorry.
No, I'm thinking, is that right? See, I'm tired.
Yes, it is
Rhombus, 4 equal sides. That's all it says. It doesn't have to have the right angles.
Angels.
So these are all parallelograms.
How are teachers able to do that little spot thing?
I can do it.
If you look in your book at page 503, you will see all of the above.
You just put par,
Pair. Yeah, and quad. Everyone have it? This is why I said I'm relaxing because tomorrow we'll finish this up.
Can we stop?
No,
Why?
because we still have a little time.
No.
I want to get through most of the notes.
I'm watching after again.
Shh. Okay, look. I have one more page of notes, just one side. I want to get through that, and then tomorrow we can do the examples. You see what I'm saying? And then Joseph hopefully will be back, and he can watch this, catch up on the notes, and then we can review. That would be great. All right, so.
You heard that, Joseph?
Come on, Joseph.
You can do it.
You can do it, Joseph.
Praying for.
Finding the measure
I didn't do that, but okay.
I said we will be.
of
No,
Yeah,
each
I will be.
angle. Stop talking. Finding the measure of each angle
Angel.
in a polygon.
That's not what I meant. I mean, in the word
Shh. My word.
is good. Not bad.
My word is good. Okay, we're going to find the measure of each angle in a polygon. Now, if it's just a rectangle or a square, that's pretty obvious, okay? But if it's some weird looking thing that looks like this,
What the heck is that? Yeah. Those are nice.
You know what? I'm going to change this. Finding the measure of all angles in a polygon. So we're going to find all angles. So all together. Grand sum.
Ransom.
Yeah, total, whatever.
Grand slam.
Okay. Ooh, that would be good right now.
Yeah. What?
Grand
Oh, yeah.
Stop it.
What do you mean stop it?
Stop throwing stuff around, man.
I didn't. It fell off my desk.
All right, here we go. So let's say we want to find the measures of all of these together. Like I said, if we were to do a rectangle or a square, that's easy. They're all 90. You just add them all together, right? Well, here we have no idea. So here's the formula. I'm putting 2 stars.
That's important.
Yes. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. This is the formula for the measure of all angels. That's the formula. N minus 2 times 180. N is the number of sides. It's okay. Kyle Tucker hits a solo home run.
Kyle Tucker's my favorite one.
I like him too. He's so funny.
He's my favorite.
He's really, I would love to just talk to him. Okay, so for example, here's the formula. N minus 2 times 180. Stop coloring so loudly, Tanner. N means the number of sides. So, Kelly, how many sides does this figure have?
6.
6. So, we plug in the information. 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. All right, so Kelly, what is 6 minus 2?
6 minus 2 is 4.
So 4 times 180 degrees. First person with the answer, raise their hand.
740.
Close.
720.
I said 40 by accident.
Bingo. That's how you find the measures of all angles.
Angels.
Let's do another one.
I do it.
Yep.
Oh, we're doing examples.
Oh my, it's like a house.
Okay, so we're looking for the total. If I were to get a protractor and find the measure of all of these angles, add them up, but that's a lot of work. So we use our formula. Inch minus 2 times 180 degrees. Atalia, how many sides are in this figure?
5.
She's correct. She can count. So we replace n with 5. And 5 minus 2 is? Very good. So 3 times 180 is?
540.
Oh, very good, Atalia.
Can you do that in your head?
Yes. All right.
Yes.
It just takes me a little longer. All right. So does anyone have any questions?
No.
All right. So now, finding, finding each, now this time, each angle measure.
Angel.
All right. Here's the formula. N minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by N. This is to find measure of each angel.
Can I do the first one?
Yes. Oh, also, this is important. Only for regular polys. That means like the stop signs. Like this is not a regular polygon. This is not a regular polygon. So to find the measure of each angle, this formula will not work for these two things, okay? Only if it's a regular polygon.
Thank you.
I said thanks, bro. He won't stand up. He's disabled. He's paralyzed. Let me just set him down here.
Oh, I think I missed something too. Oh, quadrilateral, back here to quadrilateral. Four-sided figure.
Oh, gracious.
If you add all angle measures in a quad, they equal what? No, that's triangle. Huh? 360. So any four-sided figure, when added, they give you 360. That's important. I don't know why that's not in my notes. Okay, 360. Yeah, I think for today.
Yay.
So when you add up all, today's been a mess. When you add up all the angles for a triangle, they equal 180. Any four-sided figure is going to be 360. I'm looking at both of y'all. So we'll go over examples on this later, tomorrow. All right.
Bye, Joseph.